Next question is, find the orthogonal trajectory of the family r power n sin n theta equals a power n where a is a parameter. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಟ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಎರಡು ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ ವೈ. ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು ಆರ್ ಕಮ ಥೀಟಾ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ ಕಮ ಥೀಟಾ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ there are 3 steps to do that. First one is apply log on both sides. Second step is differentiate with respect to theta. Third step is replace dr by d theta by minus r square into d theta by dr. So these are the 3 steps we need to follow. Now first, r power n sin n theta equals a power n. Now let us apply log on both sides. So that gives us log of r power n sin n theta sin n r power n sin n theta, that equals log of a power n. We know log of a plus b is log a plus log b. Also log of a power n or log x power n is n log x. Now similarly applying the same formula here, log of r power n plus log of sin n theta that equals n log a. Again here I can write it as n log r plus log of sin n theta that equals n log a. Now differentiating with respect to theta, n into 1 by r into dr by d theta plus 1 by sin n theta. Differentiation of sin n theta is cos n theta into n is a constant, that equals n into log a is constant, differentiation is 0. Now n into 1 by r into dr by d theta plus cos by sin is cot n theta into n, that equals 0. I shift cot n theta into n into right hand side, that gives us n into 1 by r into dr by d theta, that equals minus cot n theta into n. Now I can cancel out n and n on both the side, and replacing dr by d theta by minus r square into d theta by dr, that gives me 1 by r into minus r square into d theta by dr cot n theta minus cot n theta, right? Yeah. So minus and minus I can cancel, r and r I can cancel, that gives me r into d theta by dr cot n theta. I separate theta terms and r terms, 1 by cot n theta into d theta, that gives me 1 by r into dr, just cross multiplication. 1 by cot is tan, so tan n theta into d theta, that equals 1 by r into dr. Now I need to remove d theta and dr, hence I integrate on both the side, integrating tan n theta with respect to d theta and integrating 1 by r with respect to dr. Integration of tan is log of secant, right? Log of secant n theta by n, because n is a constant, plus c that equals log of 1 by r is, log integration of 1 by r is log r. So log r plus c. I take LCM here. Log of secant n theta plus nc, that equals n log r. Right. Now I need to remove this log and this log. So I can write log of secant n theta plus nc as log b, because nc is a constant. Log b is also a constant. So that doesn't make any change in the equation, right? That's the reason I write log b as nc, I mean nc as log b. B equals n into c. And n log r can be written as log of r power n. Log of r power n. So I can cancel out log and log now. How? Log a plus log b can be written as log of a plus b. Log of a, log a plus log b can be written as log of a into b equals log of r power n. Log and log cancel. Secant n theta into b, that equals r power n. ಈಗ r power n b ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ b equals r power n into secant reciprocal, right? So 1 by secant n theta, if this goes to right side, it will become 1 by secant n theta. So 1 by secant is cos. So r power n cos n theta. This is the final answer. Next question is, find the orthogonal trajectory of the curve r power n equals a power n cos n theta. Same like previous problem, change ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. First ಏನು applying log, second step ಏನು differentiating with respect to theta, third step ಏನು replacing dr by d theta by 1 by minus r square into d theta by dr. Same steps, ಏನು change ಇಲ್ಲ. First applying log on both side. Log of r power n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n log r equals log of a into b log a plus log b. Log of a power n ನಾವು n log a ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. n log a plus log of cos n theta. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Log of cos n theta. So first step is done. Now second step, differentiating with respect to theta. That becomes n into log of r is 1 by r, log of x is 1 by x. So similarly log of r is 1 by r into dr by d theta. That equals n log is constant plus 1 by cos n theta into log, differentiation of cos is minus sign. Remember minus sign. Minus sign you need to remember. Minus sin n theta into n is a constant n. ಈಗ n into 1 by r into dr by d theta, that equals minus sin by cos is tan. Tan n theta into n. Now n and n gets cancelled out. So 1 by r into dr by d theta, that will be equal to tan n theta. Right? ಈಗ third step, replacing dr by d theta with minus r square into d theta by dr. ಆಗ 1 by r into minus r square into d theta by dr, that equals minus tan n theta. Minus tan n theta. Minus minus cancel, r cancel. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ r into d theta by dr, that equals tan n theta ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಥೀಟಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, ಆರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆಗ 1 by tan ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, 1 by tan n theta into d theta, that equals 1 by r into dr ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. 1 by tan cot, cot n theta equals cot n theta into d theta equals 1 by r into dr. Now we need to remove dr and d theta. So we integrate on both sides. Integration of cot n theta into d theta, that equals integration of 1 by r into dr. ಈಗ integration of cot log of sin n theta by n, because n is a constant, plus c equals log of 1 by integration of 1 by r is log r plus c. Taking LCM again, log of sin n theta plus nc, that equals n log r. n ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಗ n log r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, I take nc as log b where it's a constant, that equals log of n log r ನಾನು r power n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನಾವು log a plus log b ನಾನು log of a into b ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. sin n theta into b, that equals log of r power n. Log and log cancel, r power n equals b into sin n theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಾದರೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ ಎನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತಾನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು 1 by ಸೈನ್ ಎನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತಾನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಯು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ is show that the family of parabolas y square equals 4 into x plus a is self orthogonal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇರೋದು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ it is in Cartesian form. We need to find the orthogonal trajectory in Cartesian form, and then we need to find whether it is self orthogonal or not. Self orthogonal ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಥವಾ 3 ಕರ್ವ್ at 90 degrees ಅಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು self orthogonal ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Now in order to solve this type of problem, we do it in 4 steps. First step ಅಲ್ಲಿ differentiation with respect to x. Second step ಅಲ್ಲಿ find the value of a. Third step ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute the value of a in the given equation, and determine the reduced equation. I write it as y equals dash dash dash. Next, replace dy by dx, that is the last step. Replace dy by dx with minus dx by dy, and again with this you'll get some equation. I'll write it as y equals dash dash dash. Now if these two equations are exactly the same, then it means that the given family of curves are self orthogonal, otherwise they are not. Okay, now let us solve it. Firstly, y square equals 4a into x plus a is the given question. Let us simplify it. Y square equals 4ax plus 4a square. Now first step, differentiation with respect to x. 2y dash, I can write dy by dx as y dash or y1. It's upon you. Then I write 4ax. Differentiation of 4ax is 4a plus differentiation of 4a square is a constant, that is 0, where y1 is dy by dx. Okay, now 2y1 equals 4a. First step is done. Find the value of a is the second step. Now a equals 2y1 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, right? So my a will be y1 by 2. We got what's the value of a. Let us substitute. Y square equals 4a into x plus a. What's the value of a? That is y1 by 2 into x plus y1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now I take LCM of this. That gives me 2y1 into 2x plus y1 by 2. If I take the LCM of this, I get this. Then again 2 gets cancelled out. Now y square will be, if I multiply 2x y1 plus y square y1 square, right? Now y square equals, I take y1 and y1 common. That gives me y1 into 2x plus y square y1 square I have, so I need one more y1, so that the multiplication of this gives to y square y1 square. Now I can cancel out y and y here. That gives me y equals, if I multiply 2x y1 plus y y1 square. This is the equation I got after substituting the value of a. Let us consider this as equation 2. Equation 1 will be my question itself, question equation. Now the last step is replacing dy by dx with minus dx by dy. Here we have considered dy by dx as y1. So I'll consider minus dx by dy as minus 1 by y1. It would be the same, reciprocal, right? Yeah. So if I replace it, the equation will be y equals 2x, replacing y1 will be minus 1 by y1 into, plus y into y1 square, that will be minus 1 by y whole square, y1 whole square. This will be minus 2x by y1, minus into minus will be plus, so that gives me plus y by y1 square. Yes, that will be equal to y. If I take LCM from this, that will be, my LCM will be y1 square. I write, so the LCM will be y1 square. So this part will be, I need to multiply one more y1 in order to get y1 square here. So that will be minus 2x y1 plus, I already have y1 square here, so it will be the same y. If I shift this to this side, that will be y1 square, that equals minus 2x y1 plus y. If I shift this to this side, that will be y equals 2x y1 plus y1 square. This is, I consider it as equation 3. Now comparing equation 2 and 3, my equation 2 was y equals 2x y1 plus y1 square. My equation 3 is 2x y1 plus y1 square. Both are same, right? Yes. So I write it as, therefore we observe that, I write it in short, I observe that the differential equation of the given family, my ly family, and the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory of the curve are same. That is, if you want, you can write, that is equation 2 and 3 are same. Hence, the given family of curves is Next question is, find the orthogonal trajectory of the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square plus lambda equals 1, where lambda is a parameter. So e problem saha, it's based on Cartesian form. So that is with respect to x comma y. Now let us write the given equation y square by b square plus lambda that equals 1. Let us take the LCM, b square plus lambda into LCM andre illi we need to multiply b square plus lambda plus y square na ನಾವು a square ಜೊತೆ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That equals 1. Again this problem follows the same steps, that is first differentiation with respect to x, then replacing dy by dx with minus dx by dy, same steps. They have not asked whether it is orthogonal or not. So there's no need to find the value of a. Got it? So directly we can differentiate it and we can replace dy by dx with minus dx by dy. Now let us shift the denominator to the right hand side. That becomes b square plus lambda plus y square a square, that equals a square b square plus lambda. Now differentiating with respect to x, this becomes b square plus lambda is a constant, so differentiation of x square is 2x plus a square is constant, differentiation is 2y into dy by dx, that equals integration of a square into b square plus lambda is a constant. So differentiation of constant is 0, not integration, differentiation, sorry. Now let us simplify it. B square plus lambda into 2x plus a square into 2y, that into dy by dx, that equals 0. You can take 2 common, again 2 into b square plus lambda into x plus a square y into dy by dx that equals 0. So I can put this 0 to this 2 to this side, so that becomes b square plus lambda into x plus a square y into dy by dx, that equals 0. Now b square plus lambda into x, that equals minus a square into y into dy by dx. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y square by minus a square y by x into dy by dx, that equals 1. And denominator na numerator tarana, that gives a square minus, because we have minus sign here, minus x into y square into dx by dy divided by a square y cancel out, that equals 1. That gives us x square by a square minus xy by a square into dx by dy, that equals 1. I can take 1 by a square common, that gives us x square minus xy into dx by dy equals 1. Again x square minus xy into dx by dy that equals a square. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ನಾವು we know that we need to replace dy by dx with minus dx by dy, but here we have dx by dy. So how can we replace this? That's very simple. Dy by dx can be replaced by minus dx by dy. So dx by dy can be replaced by minus dy by dx. Minus dy by dx. That's it. Now that becomes x square minus xy into minus dy by dx that equals a square. Minus into minus will be plus, so plus xy dy by dx that equals a square xy dy by dx equals x square ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, so that becomes minus x square. Now I separate the y components and the x components. That gives us y dy that equals a square by x square by x into dx. Now I separate this LCM y dy that equals a square by x minus x square by x into dx. So x and x gets cancelled out. Y dy that equals a square by x minus x into dx. Now we need to remove the dy part and dx part, so let us integrate on both the sides. That gives us integration of y dy that equals integration of a square by x minus x into dx. Integration of y is y square by 2 that equals integration of a square by x is a square is constant, so integration of 1 by x is log x minus integration of x is x square by 2 plus c, right? So let us take 2 LCM. That gives us y square by 2 that equals 2a square log x minus x square plus 2c whole divided by 2. I can cancel 2 and 2. That gives us y square that equals 2a square log x minus x square plus 2c. This will be my final answer.